In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private app on HubSpot and retrieve an access token. This process is crucial if you're looking to integrate external services with HubSpot's platform in a way that suits your specific needs. So make sure you're logged into your account on HubSpot, and let's dive into it. First, open up HubSpot and ensure you've logged in successfully to your account. Being logged in is essential because you won't have access to the necessary tools if you're not. Once you're all set, your next stop should be the trial guide. The trial guide is your gateway to all the resources you need, especially if you're in the initial stages of your form building process. It's an invaluable part of the HubSpot platform for both training and real-world application. Next, let's get you to the right place on your homepage. You're going to want to click on Settings. Now, over on the left-hand side of your screen, there's a list of options, and you're going to look for and click on Integrations. This section helps you manage and configure connections between HubSpot and other systems. Once you've opened integrations, you'll see options such as private apps or possibly legacy apps. Here, you're going to choose private apps. The private apps section allows you to create and configure apps that have permission to use HubSpot's API. To proceed, click on Create. You will select Private as your app type. Here's where you can get creative. Enter a name for your app. This name should be something meaningful and recognizable for you and your team. You also have the option to add a logo, which can be particularly useful for identifying your app at a glance. And don't forget to provide a description. While this step is optional, it's helpful to add information on what your app does to ensure clarity for anyone else accessing this app in the future. Now, it's time to set the permissions. Click on Scopes and then Add New Scopes. You'll see different permissions you can grant to your app, depending on what parts of HubSpot you need to access. Go through the list, select the scopes that suit your needs, and always remember to click on Update after each selection to save your choices. Next, look for the webhooks option and click it. You'll need to enter the URL you want HubSpot to interact with. This is where your app will receive notifications about certain events. Once all the necessary URLs and scopes are configured to your satisfaction, you can complete this process by clicking Create App. By following these steps, you've essentially created a private app within HubSpot that's tailored to communicate as you need it to, opening new doors for integration and application. Remember, it's always good practice to double-check your configurations and ensure everything is set up correctly before moving forward. Happy innovating! And stay tuned for more HubSpot tips and tricks.